All right, you can measure length in inches, feet, and yards. If you use smaller units, you need to use more. So if I'm going to measure this bat, I have the same bat, but there's going to be different measurements. So if I choose to do it in inches, I'm going to use a lot more inches because they're smaller. So it's going to take more inches to get to the length of the bat. So we see that there's 12 inches here, 12 inches here, and 12 inches equals 1 foot. So the bat is about blank inches long. So we have to remember there's 12 here and 12 here. 12 plus 12 is 24. So the bat is about 24 inches long. But if we choose to measure it in feet, remember 12 inches is 1 foot. So that means this is 1 foot and this is the second foot. So this bat is either 24 inches or 2 feet long. So it's the same exact thing, it just is a different unit of measurement. So you can measure it in inches, but it's going to take more inches because they're smaller. You have to use more inches to figure out how long that bat is, versus a foot is about this long, and it only takes 2 of them to measure how long it is. So hopefully that makes sense. So it takes fewer feet to measure the length of the bat, because the feet are bigger, so it's going to take less of them, versus inches are smaller, so it's going to take lots of them. So hopefully that makes sense. I know it's tricky learning on here.